Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Will coming at you with another video, and today my car has another problem. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2009 BMW 328i. I do videos on it every week, and covering everything from maintenance to modifications to ownership tips, common problems. So if any of that stuff interests you, feel free to browse around the channel, and if you see something you like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications so you get notified every time I upload another video. And without further ado, let's get right into it and talk about what is wrong with the car. So it's not a mechanical problem. The car is running just fine. Everything under the hood, bonnet, wherever you live, whatever you want to call it, it's all good. So it's actually my windshield. So if you've ever heard the term pitted, that is what has happened. I don't have any cracks. At first appearance, my windshield looks fine. So let's go ahead and take you off the tripod and kind of show you. So yeah, I mean, at first appearance, you know, it looks fine. That line is just a reflection off of something up on the ceiling. And I mean, you can't see anything. I mean, okay, if you get close, you can see some things now. See, this doesn't go anywhere. That's a chip in the windshield, as are all these other markings you can see. Now, it doesn't seem that bad. All those are on the passenger side. But there are ones that you can't see. And I filmed a bunch of footage driving around in the sun, and hopefully you'll be able to see in that. I did it on the GoPro from inside the car, so it should be similar to what I actually see. The trouble is with filming this that it requires a glare, which makes it hard to see on its own. But I think that these shots came through fairly decently, so you should be able to see some hitting in the windshield from the inside. So one thing about getting a new windshield is I like having this strip right here, and obviously this is a film strip, so the new windshield will not have it, but this will lead to not my next modification, because I've already ordered my next mod, so stay tuned for that. You'll see a new mod coming on this car probably next week, possibly this week, but probably next week. But I need to go ahead and retint my windows. As you can see, there's lots of scratches and there's pollen all over the car too, so that's what all those marks are. See from the inside here, lots and lots of scratches, and even so bad on this one that it's actually ripped. So there is a method to stop this from happening again, so I will be showing you how to do that. So I'm going to retint the car after I get the new windshield pretty soon after, so I would look forward to that. I'm probably going to go with a pretty dark tint, but not really dark. Maybe I had 18% on my GTO, and I kind of think that that's where I want to go again. It's 18%, maybe 20, around that area. So there are a number of reasons that this can be a problem for you. Obviously, it's going to cause glare from the sun, so when the sun hits it, it's going to refract through these small pits and just make a glare that's really hard to see. Second thing is, in the rain, the wipers are not as effective as they need to be. And if it's just misting, they'll drag on the windshield. I have pretty much brand new wiper blades on the car, and they still don't do a very good job because of how damaged my windshield is. So anyway, I'm going to be getting a new windshield soon. They're really not that expensive. You can get one for about $200, $230. If you want to go OEM with the Pinkelton brand, which is what the factory is, it's going to be a bit more money, but in all honesty, guys, glass is glass. I mean, yeah, you can do things with it, but for the most part, glass is glass. So guys, that pretty much concludes everything that I have for today's video. Let me know what you think about this. Have you ever had to replace a windshield on your BMW, or any car for that matter? Because a windshield really isn't any different on a BMW. Glass is glass, like I said. So let me know how long you've had windshields last for, when you've had to replace them, because I've never had to replace a windshield before. This is a first for me. Every car I've ever had, my windshield has been fine. Anyway guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel out a whole lot. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.